squeeze a gap and then the overhang on the truck, like having to ring up your boss or get back to the yard and go, yeah, so going to sleep rather than pushing through. And there was a lot of positive signs there, and that's, my bags did get flown to Brisbane, but no one picked them up, so they flew them back to Sydney. The building blocks the whole way through, and that sort of resonates with, you find people in the room now. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was me practicing for an event that I couldn't be more excited about. That's right, the Oaklands RSL have kindly asked me to put on a show for them on Saturday the 11th of September. So when the message came through of, Tony, do you do any shows? I thought, yes, I'm going to do this. So I've been choreographing the hell out of it and practicing and that sort of stuff. And I reckon I've got myself a show here for you fine people. So if you want tickets to the event, they're only $20 and you can purchase them through the RSL. The phone number will be at the end of the video and also in the comment section as well. So limited spots available, but come along, we'll have a laugh, we'll tell some stories, do a bit of Q&A, and of course we'll have a beer and enjoy each other's company. So that is what I was sort of giving the sneak peek about a few days ago, because it's just been totally confirmed. So we're getting the word out there, get amongst it, tell your friends, all that, and I will see you in Oaklands on Saturday the 11th of September. Cheers.